A surprise tweet from the ailing president just a few minutes ago.
We're getting great reports from the doctors. This is an incredible hospital, Walter Reed. The work they do is just absolutely amazing, and I want to thank them all, the nurses, the doctors, everybody here. I've also gotten to meet some of the soldiers and the first responders, and what a group. I also think we're going to pay a little surprise to some of the great patriots that we have out on the street.
And the president was true to his word. Just moments after tweeting the video, the presidential motorcade drove slowly past the dozens of supporters who had gathered outside the hospital. They started to gather shortly after he was admitted on Friday, and the crowd has been growing ever since. Mixed messages. The president's medical team says he's improving and could leave the hospital as soon as Monday.
The fact of the matter is that he's doing really well.
But despite that rosy assessment, Dr. Connolly revealed Trump's oxygen levels have dropped twice during his illness, and that on top of a 5-day course of treatment of the antiviral drug remdesivir, the president is now also being treated with a steroid drug called dexamethasone. Today's briefing leaves significant questions about Trump's condition unanswered.
Any damage to the lungs?
Yeah, so we're tracking all of that. There's some expected findings, but nothing of any major clinical concern.
He would have said they were normal scans. So clearly they are abnormal, but he's not telling us what they showed.
Today, Dr. Connolly did admit he had left out those drops in oxygen levels.
I was trying to reflect the upbeat attitude that the team, the president, that his course of illness has had.
President Trump has been working from the hospital, tweeting videos and updates, thanking the supporters who have gathered outside Walter Reed Hospital. Today, National Security Advisor Robert O'Brien said he would brief the president.
Days 7 and 8, are the critical days. So I think the doctors want to make sure that they're there for the president and that he's getting the best treatment, but he's doing well.
Confirmation hearings for Trump's choice to replace Ruth Bader Ginsburg on the U.S. Supreme Court were scheduled to take place before the U.S. election, which is now less than a month away. Since the Amy Coney Barrett nomination ceremony at the White House Rose Garden, 2 members of the Senate Judiciary Committee and another Republican senator have been fighting COVID-19, and the Democrats are insisting the hearing be delayed until after the election.
And the idea of having virtual hearings where no one is with the witness for the highest court in the land, for a life appointment that would have such effect on people's lives, makes no sense.
Not listening to Schumer, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says he plans to continue full speed ahead with the nomination process. Dwight Ryan, CHCH News.